It says ah. There are two ways to write the lowercase or little a. This is the lowercase a that you will see in many books. It says ah. This is the lowercase a that you may see in handwriting. It says ah. A is not only important because it's the first letter of the alphabet, it's also a very special type of letter called a vowel. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The short vowel sounds are a, I, and When you see the letter A at the beginning of a word or in the middle of a short word, you usually say a. A is called the short A vowel sound. Here are some words that begin with the a sound. A. Apple. Apple. A. Ambulance. Ambulance. Ant. Ant. Axe. Axe. Alligator. Alligator. Astronaut. Astronaut. Africa. Africa. Alphabet. Alphabet. Here are some words that have the a sound in the middle. Cat. Let's separate the sounds in the word cat. K, a, t, k, a, t, k, a, t. Cat. Cat. Hat. Let's separate the sounds in the word hat. A, t, a, t, a, t, hat. Hat. Rat. Let's separate the sounds in the word rat. A, t, a, t, a, t, rat. Rat. Man. Let's separate the sounds in the word man. A, 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 man. Man. Pan. Let's separate the sounds in the word pan. A, p, a, p, a, pan. Pan. Rhyme time! Remember, words that rhyme sound the same at the end. The word jam rhymes with ham because they both end with am. The word bag rhymes with Tag because they both end with ag. What rhymes with the word cat? Bat. Rat. Fat. Hat. Can you think of another word that rhymes with the words cat, bat, hat, fat, and rat? What rhymes with the word man? Fan. Can. Pan. Van. Can you think of another word that rhymes with the words man, fan, can, pan, and van? Let's write the capital A. Start your letter at the top, go down to the left, back to the top, and down to the right, and then cross it in the middle. A. Let's write the lowercase a. Start your letter at the top and go round, up, and back down. A. Which word begins with the A sound? Apple or strawberry? Apple or strawberry? Apple begins with the A sound. Which word begins with the A sound? Astronaut or fireman? Astronaut or fireman? Astronaut begins with the A sound. Which letter stands for the A sound? The capital A or the capital Z? The capital A stands for the A sound. A, A, A. Which letter stands for the A sound? The lowercase a or the lowercase z? The lowercase a stands for the A sound. A, A, A.